Welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. Lots of iOS users are reporting that after updating to iOS 18.3.1, they are getting a weak signal or no service issue on iPhone. Let's see how to fix this problem. Solution 1. Make sure the cellular data is on. The first thing you should do when your iPhone has a weak signal is to make sure that the cellular data on your iPhone is turned on. For that, open up Settings. Next, tap on Mobile Service or Cellular. Make sure the cellular data is turned on. Solution 2. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Swipe down the control center from the upper right corner of the screen. Turn the airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds and turn it off again. Solution 3. Update your iPhone. To update, open up Settings. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any new version is available, install it. Solution 4. Remove your iPhone case. Most iPhone cases will not interfere with the device's antenna at all, but some can cause a loss in signal strength, particularly in older iPhone models. You can determine if the iPhone case is the problem by simply removing it from the device. The signal strength improves significantly or you have a better quality phone call experience. That the case was the problem and you might get a new one. Solution 5. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Have you ever recently removed the SIM card from your iPhone? If you have, then the iPhone signal is likely to be affected if the SIM card is not inserted correctly. Using the ejection pin to take out the SIM card and then clear the card slot with a dry and clean cloth or brush. Wait for a while and then reinsert the SIM card to the device. Next, reboot the device and check the signal. Solution 6. Reset network settings. To reset, open up Settings. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset network settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. That's it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.